Hi guys, welcome back chart of account. uh, Today we are going to see liability account. So what is the liability accounts? Okay, whatever amount we have to pay, that is liability. Everybody knows about that because this last video also we explain about liabilities. Okay, you can see accounts payable, we have to pay the payable, we have to pay the suppliers, we have to pay to the vendors, we have to pay to the third party, that's accounts payable. Insurance payable, interest payable, legal fees payable, salary payable, rent payable, tax payable, long term lease liability, short term payable, like whatever payable. Interest we have to pay every month to the bank. The legal fee, any legally we are advising the legal advisor, or legally we are facing any problem, we are filing the case to the court, so we have to spend money, the legal fee. And the salary payable, we should pay for the employee's salary. Rent payable, if we are in the rent building, we have to pay every month rent. Tax payable, as per the government we have to make the tax quarterly. Then the long term or short term, whatever the payable, so you have to pay to the third parties. This is the liabilities, correct? You can understand those elements, then you can easily understand what is the payables, what is the liabilities, where it is go, everything. Okay guys, thank you. I will make the another video for chart of account.